Welcome back to the channel and one of the craziest things I've ever filmed. I thought this would be a simple catch, but this fella turned out to be more powerful than I could ever have imagined and just far too big. But then there is a twist at the end. This battle started in the den, my bespoke Venus flytrap room. But this fella just turned up, wandering around, heading towards the traps. This trap's causing him no issues at all, it's just too small for such a beast. However, his biggest mistake is made and he heads towards Big Red, my most powerful trap. He just shoves the dead fly out the way as though it's nothing, and then boom! He's caught. But this wasn't the end. Much of this was filmed in 8K extreme macro, but I've composed it down to 4K. Just check out some of the detail in this creature's body. Just when I think I'm going to have to intervene, here he is bursting out the trap. The last thing I expected. I love insects, I'm a bit mad for them, but even this thing looked really weird up close in high detail. And anyway, I think he's going to make a great escape. You just wait till you see what happens next. Traps all around him. But this caterpillar is doomed. He just won't be able to defeat the next trap. There's just no way. He was lucky with one, but this plant is truly powerful. And heading in this direction, this plant will never miss twice. Let's see what happens. Another trap and another catch. And the final mistake for this caterpillar as he heads deeper and deeper into certain doom. The power of these Venus flytraps always astounds me, but the power of insects also does as well. Though it's too late for this creature, it'll be digested and turned into a stronger trap. Thanks for watching!
Stay crazy, stay wild, and stay free.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.